Hello, friend, and welcome to our rushing river movement meditation. This is perfect for if you need to get some wiggles out, or if you meditate better through physical movement and using your body to be present and grounded. When you hear the sounds of the rushing river, that will cue you for when to begin this exercise. Once the river starts, so will you. Feel free to walk, crawl, stretch, or all three. Remember that rivers can be fast or slow. Rivers move around rocks and branches. They don't go backwards. So, when you are doing your movement, make sure you go around the things that might be in your room or in the hallway where you are your own rushing river. That's right. If something is in your way, simply go around it. Like a river flows around a rock, so we flow around obstacles and problems. If you trip or get caught up, remember, there are no mistakes for a river. Simply keep moving forward. When the sound of the river stops, we will return to stillness. For the next few minutes, embody the sense of a river, flowing forward and flowing freely. As the sounds of the rushing river come to stillness, so will your body. Feel free to sit or lie down and let your body reflect its own pool of stillness. In this reflection, think about how our lives are much like that of a river. No matter what happens, we naturally keep moving forward. This practice is excellent for if you ever feel stuck or still and need a reminder that you are always moving forward and that there is a power inside you that keeps this forward motion flowing. Rest gently now, knowing that you can bring this river back at any time during your day by simply listening to this recording or by going on your own rushing river walk or rushing river stretch. We especially want to thank our friend Carolyn Conjuro because she gave us the excellent words for this practice and the gift of ourselves becoming our own rushing river. Have a peaceful rest of your day, friend.